In this video, I'm going to share with you how to improve the audio quality of your videos by removing the background noise and the echo with just one click. Hey there, my name is James and welcome to Create Contently. I am a full-time content creator, and on this channel, I talk about the strategy, process, and tools to help you create content for your personal brand or your business. I release new videos every single week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button if you find this video helpful. For today's video, we're going to be using a tool called Descript, and if you don't have it, I've got the link down in the description box below so you can check it out and download it for yourself. So today we're using Descript's Studio Sound feature. This feature is absolutely incredible. Just with one click, we can automatically remove background noise, remove echo, making your voice sound very clear and present as if it was recorded in a professional studio. And there's two main steps in doing this. So step number one is to just simply drag and drop your clip into Descript. And one of the great features about Descript is that every single video is transcribed. So if you're doing talking head style videos or podcasts, you can edit your videos just by editing the text. And if you want to learn more about Descript, I've got a playlist that you can check out up here at the top. So once we have our video loaded and we've got the transcription, all we need to do is select our clip down below. Then we'll hit the Show Clip Inspector, add effect, audio repair, and select Studio Sound. Now, depending on how long your video is, this may take a few minutes, but since this video is only 30 seconds long, it shouldn't take too long. And after it's done processing, you can see that it's turned on with the intensity at 100%, and this is what it sounds like. This is what my voice sounds like before using Descript's Studio Sound feature.
This is what my voice sounds like after using Descript's Studio Sound feature.
I mean, that's pretty crazy, right? Just in one click, it sounds totally different. And if you want the effect to have a little bit more of a natural sound, you can dial this back, this intensity slider, to maybe anywhere between 80 and 90%, and it'll sound a little bit more natural. Then once we're ready to export our video, we can go to Publish, hit the Export tab. Under File Export, we'll hit Video. Make sure that this is selected as Current Composition. MP4 video format is fine. You can even select the dimensions or the resolution. Then we'll hit Export. We'll save it to our drive. Now our video is exporting. Here are a couple more examples of Descript Studio Sound at work. This is what my voice sounds like before using Descript's Studio Sound feature. This is what my voice sounds like after using Descript's Studio Sound feature. This is what my voice sounds like before using Descript's Studio Sound feature. And this is what my voice sounds like after using Descript's Studio Sound feature. Descript is packed full of tons of other great features, and if you want to learn more about those, make sure you check out this playlist right here of other how-tos and tutorial videos that I've created showing you how to use Descript. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.